Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello children, welcome to the session. In this session, what we are going to do is, children, we are going to discuss a few question and answers from the topics that we have covered so far. So children, first question is your house at rest or is in motion? So children, your house, does it change its position with respect to time? When you go to school in morning, your house is at this place, and when you return, has it changed its position from here to here, somewhere other? Some other place? No children, your house does not changes its position with respect to time. So we can say that your house is at rest. Okay children? Chaliye, so let's move to the next question. Is the hour hand of the clock moving or stationary? So children, initially it may appear that the hour hand of the clock is stationary, but in reality, since the time is changing every hour, so every hour you will notice that this small hand or the hour hand will change its position from 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and so on. So children, what actually happens is the motion of this hour hand is very slow and you cannot observe it unless you observe it very, very carefully. Okay children, so we can say that this hour hand is also in motion, always in motion. Okay children, so let's move to the next question. What is motion? So children, we can define motion when an object changes its position with respect to time in comparison to the stationary objects near it. Okay children, we can define it in this way, to the stationary objects. Okay, so this is how we define motion. Next question, sort the following as in motion or at rest. So children, a moving bus, is it in motion or is it at rest? So moving bus is moving, so it is in motion. Then we have a car parked in garage. So children, since the car is parked in garage, it is not moving its position, it's not moving, so we can say that it is at rest. Then children, we have flying birds. The birds which are flying are always changing their position with time, so we can say they are in state of motion. Then we have the hour hand of the clock, and this hour hand of the clock moves very, very slowly, but still it is in motion. Okay children, let's move to the next question. A passenger sitting in train is at rest with respect to the other objects, in the train, or is it in motion with the other objects to the objects outside the train? So children, what happens is, say we have a train and you are sitting inside it. This is your position, okay? And if we compare you with the other passengers who are also in the state of rest, then you will be in the state of rest. But if we compare you to the stationary objects outside the train, like trees or buildings maybe, then you will appear to be in the state of motion because you are inside train which is moving. So children, both the answers are correct. That is, you are at rest with respect to the objects in the train, okay? And you are also in the motion with respect to the objects outside the train. Okay children, so this was all about it. These were the questions from the topics that we have covered so far, and I really hope that you would have understood the concept really well. Thank you so much for your attention.